What is the difference between thinker and thoughts? Thinker actually doesn't exist. Thoughts sometimes exist. So, spaced out means absent-mindedness. Is it unclutched? No. Spaced out in a traditional sense doesn't mean being unclutched. We can say our own, spaced in. We can have our own word. Instead of spaced out, spaced in. Maybe that is unclutched. Since you are going to initiate healers in the unclutched state, what is the need for holding on to mala and other associated items? Who is this questioner? Oh yes. It may not have any meaning. I just wanted my people to do it. If that much they feel connected to me, let them have healing initiation. Because it is purely gift from me. Let them do it. Okay? I really want to do teachers training, but my final exams gets over on 11th May. The week of 3rd May, 11th May is final exam week. So I have no problem. You can come and do whenever. That few days which you are free, that few days you can come and do teacher training. You can have the material from Gopal. During the meditation, I felt as if I was a new person every moment. This was every breath. If I was getting clutched to my thoughts, I realized that after suddenly realizing that I am unclutched, a relief and energized feeling was there. I suddenly felt during the meditation that time is also a shaft. Yes, then you are really getting into meditation. Time is also a shaft. Your concept about time is shaft. When you touch that zone, you are really entering into unclutched state. During meditation, when I was being unclutched, every moment I could not realize time. What do you think about this? I have nothing to think about it. You are really getting into meditation. Please elaborate the meaning of Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma. The same thing, when you are unclutched, when you unclutch yourself, you forget the identity which is you and which is Brahman. Now you have said it is not your words but your energy that we receive, that is important. You also said that when you gave Dhyanaspurana in India, you did not even need to speak, not Dhyanaspurana, Nityanandam. You just sat in silence. In America we play so much with words. It is hard for us to sit silent because you are trained to speak. That is a big problem. See these consultant fellows, they will not do anything except talking. I have all these consultant fellows in my ashram. No work goes on. When I come, they just give me presentation. And when I come again, next time again I will have one more presentation. I ask, what is going on? No, this is the way consultants work in America, Swamiji. In India, no project plan or no consultation. Simply things happen. Here only consultation goes on. No work happens. The most powerful parts of the last 2 days and the parts in which I was the most unclutched is when we sat in silence. It is so much harder to be unclutched when words are flying around the room. What to do? That is right. Actually, in silence you can be completely unclutched. And when you are listening also, why do you feel disturbed? Your disturbance is one more shaft. Why don't you unclutch now also? You can do. When you can unclutch in the silence, you can unclutch when you are listening to me also. When somebody is talking also. After hearing about unclutching, being unconnected, the mind is rejecting all thoughts. I am feeling emptiness. No thoughts seem worthy giving any thought. Why am I scared to stay in this emptiness? Why am I scared? Emptiness always, even your fear or being scared is one more shaft. Forget about it. Disconnect from that. I am aware that I withhold or in some way resist being unclutched. This is again one more, creating one more shaft. So, who is this questioner? I am aware that I withhold or in some way resist being unclutched. Be very clear. Even that you are thinking that you are resisting unclutching is one more shaft. Forget about it. Understand it is one more shaft and don't create, that's all. I know my mind constantly tells me, I am undeserving. Is there anything further to do other than having the awareness? Just the awareness is enough, nothing else is necessary. Please define word unclutched. And what is the nearest word in Sanskrit or traditional spiritual literature? Maybe Nirvikalpa. maybe I don't know exactly. Sangha means in Sanskrit different. Your identity, Vigalpa can be the right word. Nirvigalpa. This is the closest. Because in Shiva Sutra I translated Nirvigalpa, that word only as unclutched. So, I don't know any other word is very close or okay. During meditation I became totally unclutched, all tightness left the body and I felt great expansion. I was floating. But be unclutched from this also, ma. It's beautiful, but be unclutched from this also. Would you talk about your mission? Whose question? I have no mission, ma. Just to go around and unclutch people, that's all my mission is. And teach them that they are unclutched, that's all, nothing much. And whenever people are arrogant or egoistic, you see, the question somebody asked now, a few minutes ago, na, why should we use the mala or all those things? See, this is not, if it is out of real thing, I would have answered different. This is the, if you don't wear that my mala, what will you do? You will be wearing somebody else's photo or your own photo, your own ego. At least these are all some methods to replace you. And there are something even beyond logic, which I do not, which sometime you feel so much of gratitude and connected, you don't even ask logical questions like, why should I have your mala or locket or anything. Only if you feel connected to me, that much you are qualified to have healing initiation. Otherwise there is no need for you to have healing initiation. It's a pure gift. It's a pure, see, one more thing. I am not God or Guru for everybody. I am not Guru for everybody. I am Guru for people only who feel connected to me. I always tell people, unless you feel connected, I won't be master for you. Maybe continue to search, you will have the right master. So, these are all few methods to check whether they really feel connected beyond logic or they feel connected only till the logic. So, these are all some obstructions or method I put to filter those people, those kind of people. So, if you don't feel connected that much, then healing initiation is not for you. Forget about it. Search, you will have your master, then things will start happening in you. Okay. If I unclutch from my thoughts while talking to somebody, how do I respond while talking to someone who is not unclutched? Don't think that they are not unclutched. Don't think that they are clutched people. Just be, why do you bother about others? Just you be clutched, you be unclutched, you will see a different intelligence happening through you. When you say unclutch from your identity, and I do it, I keep falling into Anandagandha, then the question rises, if I am doing right, and you are doing right. If you fall in Anandagandha, you are already doing it right. Nothing wrong. Somebody else. Huh? No, actually Anandagandha is not a shaft. It's a same meditation, little technically little different. Only words are little different. No, Anandagandha is only different name, but same state, same space. You are a healer, and then you know the same space, no doubt. Are you saying we should stop thinking completely? Action without thought can be dangerous. What do you say? I am not saying you should stop thinking completely. Be unclutched. Whatever thoughts has to happen, that will happen automatically. In the initial level only, when you are unclutched, as you feel as if no thoughts are happening. Suddenly you will understand, even after unclutching, whenever it is necessary, it is getting clutched, work is happening. Whenever it is not necessary, it is unclutched. Your mind is being used as instrument, not as a master. You will understand that. Even now, when you go out to eat, just completely be unclutched. Stand up in an unclutched way, go there in an unclutched way, eat in an unclutched way, you will understand what I am saying. While penning down the thoughts, we realize that the speed of thoughts cannot be captured by a pen, however it reduces. Question, understanding that we are unclutched is fine and easy to practice concept. A glimpse of enlightenment is possible. It may take different time for each individual to achieve complete enlightenment. Through awareness of being unclutched, what decides this time for an individual? See, be very clear. If you are unclutched now itself you are enlightened. There is no separate time. There is no need that you should be unclutched for 10 years only then you will become enlightened. Nothing like that. It's just intensity. I experienced love towards the body after Annamaya Kosha experience, looking at it with new eyes, like a child. The more I realize I am unclutched, the more sensitive I feel to become to other people. Thoughts, because my own thoughts disappear. This disturbs sometimes or other times causes feeling of great love, connection and compassion. The body feels pure and sensitive. You are on the right track. Go ahead. Just be unclutched. I experienced dropping many times, but then it is all darkness. I feel I am stuck in dark space. I desperately pray at that time. I feel I am stuck in ignorance. Be very clear. Dark space does not mean ignorance. That's a wrong idea taught to you. I can feel silence when I close eyes and try to go inside. I don't feel silence. It is deep darkness. Please help me to understand what is happening. Be very clear. Darkness does not mean ignorance. Be unclutched from that also. Will unclutch mean not getting involved with the conversation or activity? No. That is again clutching with the laziness, connecting with laziness. I am already a healer. I cannot attend tomorrow's initiation. Can I have my Anandagandha reactivated? No. Who is this person? Everybody wants all the instant method. I won't initiate. I can, but I will not. Either come tomorrow or get lost. Everybody wants all shortcut methods. And they are asking for all short methods. If I myself reducing everything into a shortest possible thing, because I know these modern men are dumb fellows and they will not put their effort, and I am creating all like instant method. People are trying to have something from that also. That's what I was telling. To have the Anandagandha experience, it took 9 years for me. 9 years of long tapas gave me the Anandagandha experience. And if people are having, you don't even have to spend 9 days. Just attend 2 days program, third day you are having the Anandagandha experience. When I told this, somebody told me, you are not fortunate to have a guru like Nityananda. What we can do, Swamiji? You are not fortunate to have a guru like Nityananda. And now these fellows are trying to reduce that also. And this fellow is now just straight away wants to go and drink. That is why he is asking, why don't you reactivate Anandagandha today itself? Let me go and drink tonight and lie down. What to do? Please explain the difference between a thought as a word or voice, or image with no word, spontaneous image with feeling. All these things are thoughts. As I went deep in my meditation, I felt like something dropped in my heart area. When it happened, there was no thought for the second. I want to go back to that experience again and again. Don't create a shaft again. So, even if it is beautiful experience, just be unclutched from that experience also. I know the material world is real, but I feel sometimes the psychological world is more real or powerful than the material world. This feeling makes me feel in control of myself, but it also scares me. I also feel that inside me there is a big chamber, which is a psychological landscape, where erosion happens, also renewal happens. My question is it just a shaft or illusion that I have created? Whatever you are seeing is nothing but an illusion which you created. Difference between Pranamaya Kosha meditation, Manomaya Kosha meditation. With Pranamaya you are working with Prana. With Manomaya, same unclutching, but in the level of thoughts. It is not similar. It is, there is a difference. Little deeper you go. The first part of the program, it was somewhat resistant. After seeing you dance last night, it opened the path of the vibrational healing for me. I feel as though I go from being unclutched to being unclutched, being clutched to being unclutched, which is to me means bliss. Is it only through enlightenment that one feels unclutched at all the times? Who is this questioner? Be very clear. If you are unclutched, that's enough. You don't have to bother about enlightenment at all. I felt a deep peace during the session. I have never sat and watched things, thoughts, emotion, pains. In a way, it was liberation from mantra, concentration on breath, etc. Is this what you mean by unclutched? Nor forcing anything and noticing, watching thing happen like a movie. Thank you. Right. You are doing things properly. You have strongly explained the technique of unconnecting with unpleasant experience and people. However, the real issue is as to how gradually disconnect and disassociate with dearest and the people you love and depart peacefully. Please be very clear. Unclutching is not only with the people who are unpleasant. With the people who are unpleasant, you can easily unclutch yourself. Unclutching is both the same technique only for the dear and near ones or your enemies. Just unclutch yourself from the idea of enmity. I have noticed that although I love being in your physical presence, I actually feel more connected to you when not near you, when I am not near you. If I just look at your photo or even simply remember you, I feel so much gratitude and love, but not as much when I am in your physical presence. Am I just creating a fantasy or superficial shaft? This troubles me a little because most people want to be with you all the time. Am I just not connected yet? No, nothing like that. Be very clear. Sometimes in my absence also you may feel connected. That is nothing wrong. Feeling connected is enough. There is no need to worry about this. Don't create one more shaft based on somebody's explanation or somebody's idea. If they feel connected to me in my physical presence, that is nice. Why should you feel the same thing? There is no need.